Hi, I'm Tess Pollitz, your local realtor, and welcome to Tessellation Talk, where we get to know more about our local businesses in the San Ramon area. Right now, I'm standing in front of Coliseum Tile, right on San Ramon Valley Boulevard, and I'm sure many of you have driven past it hundreds of times. Let's come inside and check it out together.
Hi, we're here at Coliseum Tile, and I'm here sitting down with the owner of Coliseum Tile, Metin Aydin. Hi Metin, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. You're having a good year so far?
Getting there.
That's great. I know we all need that extra time to get things rolling. But I'm so excited. I thank you very much for joining us today and being part of Tessellation Talk.
You're welcome.
Yeah, and what I want to do is, if you wouldn't mind just telling our viewers a little bit about Coliseum Tile and how long you've been in business.
Sure. The name Coliseum Tile is because we started our business in Oakland, right next to Oakland Coliseum, right on the freeway, 880 freeway. And then we kept the name, started 22 years ago, and moved to San Ramon area, just down the street. We opened up our showroom. We moved our showroom here.
Yes, I love it.
Yes.
I really like this showroom. And we'll show our viewers later more about your showroom now. But what are the types of products and services that you provide here?
So we have natural stone, a lot of natural stone, a lot of porcelain tile. Recently, in the last 10 years, porcelain tile kind of took the place of natural stone. It's much more durable, no maintenance, and it looks just like natural stone. So a lot of people are going towards porcelain tile. We have a lot of hardwood floors, engineered and solid. We have a lot of slabs, quartz slabs mainly, because quartz slabs also no maintenance. You don't have to seal it, you don't have to worry about it. If you drop red wine or ketchup or like acidic lemons, it doesn't hurt the countertops.
That's great. Easy to maintain.
A lot of people are asking for quartz slabs.
Uh-huh.
And then we follow the popular colors, and as soon as they're available, we bring them to our showroom.
Right. Yeah, I was just thinking, when someone comes in here and it's their very first time to do a remodel, you probably remember that from
Yes.
back then. It could be overwhelming, right?
It is. So we have 4 designers.
That's great.
When they come, we give them full service, free service. We try to help them with the color coordination and material put together. We also do cabinetry. So with the cabinetry, we can put everything together. We can show them renderings, 3D renderings. If they want us to go to their home, we go there, we ask questions and find out what they like. And then we invite them back here and show them samples of the doors, colors, and backsplash, and also flooring too. So we show them everything here.
That's wonderful. I'll never forget our own personal experience here coming to Coliseum Tile. Just recently we remodeled the home in Walnut Creek for a client, which is now on the market. And they actually purchased a lot of the tile. I would say 80% of the tile in that bathroom was purchased from Coliseum Tile, but it's been a few years back. We came in here, and your staff is just wonderful. You have great customer service. We just told them exactly the client's last name. They found the file, they found the tiles, located it, got it into the store, were able to install it, and the clients are very happy. So, for those of you, I highly recommend for you guys to visit Coliseum Tile. They're right here on San Ramon Valley Boulevard. Maybe, if you wouldn't mind just telling our viewers if you have any special promotions for new customers that you'd like to mention, and maybe how they can find you.
Absolutely. We definitely encourage our customers to find us on our website, and new customers, we can give them at least a couple hours free service. And then if it's a package we try to do package deal. On the package deal, we can offer them 10 to 15%, depends on the material. And again, we will be showing everything soon. It's going to be a one-stop shop.
I'm very excited.
Thank you.
Very excited to see that so much, man. I know how busy you are, and to fit us into your schedule, to sit down and tell the community about your store. I really, really do appreciate it.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you very much for also.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you again.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
If any of you are interested in being part of Tessellation Talk or know of someone who could benefit from it, please feel free to contact us anytime. And if you have any real estate needs, you can reach me at the number posted on your screen. Thanks again for joining us, and see you at the next episode of Tessellation Talk.